So this is a hot topic at the moment. What's the point of having a competent Scrum Master? Why do we need them? And we've seen a great purge in 23, 24 of a lot of organizations letting go of Scrum Masters and Agile coaches. Why did they do that? Well, maybe they weren't delivering value. And this is one of the things when it comes to budget cuts, if you're not delivering value, you go on. So how can you tell the difference between a really effective Scrum Master and perhaps a novice or an ineffectual Scrum Master? I think the essence of this is the difference between a professional Scrum Master and what I call a mechanical Scrum Master. Now, a professional Scrum Master can do everything a mechanical Scrum Master does, but takes it to the next level up. So a mechanical Scrum Master is really focused on just following a framework, being rigid, almost dogmatic. They might have a fascination with the tools. They might be so obsessed with setting up calendar events or whatever, but then they're not really approaching things through the lens of the Scrum values. Now, a truly experienced, game-changing Scrum Master is one who helps the team and the organization get more value out of using a framework. Now, with this, they will not be dogmatic about the framework. They'll understand Scrum, and they should also understand Kanban, the rudiments of lean, system thinking, problem solving, various facilitation techniques, product validation techniques. Now, you'll notice at this point, I haven't mentioned any specifics about the technical domain that the team are exploring. When I was working with an energy team, I didn't understand anything about oil exploration, drilling, energy distribution, refinement, etc. However, I deeply understood the framework and I deeply understood how teams work. And so what I did is that was what I was bringing to the party. And my duty of care was to help the team solve the problem. And so there's 3 steps to this. What is the most important problem the team has to solve? What's the most important step to get there? And what's your plan to do that within a short time? And breaking it down into those small steps and helping the team collaboratively work together to deliver that was the value I and my team added. And it's amazing when that happens. You don't need to be the technical expert, but you need to be curious. You need to understand one level deeper than where you're at. And by being open-minded and curious, you help the team come together to solve the problems. Now, if you're not adding that value to the team, perhaps you're not as effective as you thought you were. What's the one smallest thing you can do to be even more awesome?